Welcome back to TIMTOS Glimpse. Now I'm at Yinhan. Yinhan specializes in CNC, NC, and conventional types of tube and piping bending machinery. Let's go inside and check out. Let's go.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Sonia.
Welcome to YLM.
Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, see our beautiful lobby.
Yes, that's very splendid.
Yes, in this building, in the first floor, we have management and a radio center. And then second floor, we have accountant. And third floor, sales department. And fourth floor, R&D.
Oh, that's a very huge building. So you are going to show us around?
Yeah, let's go. I'll show you around.
Okay.
Let me show you some products of our company. These are product lines of made by laser cutting machine. Yeah, laser cutting for tube machine. Yeah, so this is our all unique cutting and clean cut. And these are the certificate of safety. So we have to renew this kind of certificate routinely to prove to our customers the safety of our machines. Yeah. And these are the pipes. These are the pipes, the product samples. This is a hydraulic pipe. This is a very small radius bending. But we show you the good parts of our in our history. And this is a exhaust car, big truck, light truck. Yeah, this pipe is made of galvanized. So the surface of the pipe is not so hard. So very easy to get scratch, and also small bending, small radius. And this is the rail of the rolling door in the garage, the rail. So this also needs to very good quality without any deformation. This is also similar rail for the train window. And this is the frame of the treadmill. This is also very special shape, And this pipe is thin wall, 0.8 only, and small radius, without scratch, no wrinkle. So this is also difficult job. These are typical products of our machines.
Okay.
So let's go to the factory to see our machines.
Sure. Sonia, could you tell us a bit about YLM and also the value of it?
Yeah, YLM built in 1976. We are the #1 tube bending machines manufacturer in Taiwan, based on experience and professionalism for years. Most important is we follow the core spirit. We to make good machine and fully support all of services. The important part is the persistence of using good quality, good famous brand for the main parts of the machine, despite the strong competition price on the market. Because this persistence will make our customer, will make the machine last longer. The machine life will last longer, and performance will be stable, as well as to reduce the repairing chance in future. So these are very important for our customers, and most of our customers, they are happy with our quality, and we got reputation. And some of our customers, they gain order from their customers because of they are having YLM machine. And this is the value we care for about machine, as a machine manufacturer.
And then could you tell us a bit more about machines or your specialized technology?
Yeah, in replying green enterprise and friendly environment, we started to develop all electric bender more than 10 years ago. And so far, our electric bender is very mature, and with a lot of technique functions, like small radius bending, thin wall bending, and quick change tools, and inner auto chuck interchangeable, and all kinds of booster. So these kind of functions can help our customer saving time in operation, as well as the material wastage. So yeah, this is also another value of our machines. So we are the only brand in Taiwan recognized and accepted by European, American, and Japan, considered as a compatible quality as those made by themselves. So we have a regular customer from global group in automobile industry. They purchase our machines regularly and continuously.
So YLM is very competitive in the
in the worldwide market.
Yeah.
You know, maintain as the reputation of Taiwan made.
Oh, that's very good. Yeah. And that's also very important.
Thank you.
And you are going to show us some machines, right?
Yes. Let me show you our laser cutting machine.
Okay.
We have two types of laser cut, but metal sheet and the tubes. This is a tube cutting machine. This machine is a 6-meter length, so you can load a 6-meter pipe, and with auto loader and overloading. This machine can cut all kinds of shapes of tubes, like round, that's a standard, and oval, rectangular, irregular, all kinds of machine. And this machine is control system is made by YLM. YLM own made, and the machine length can be as per customer's request. Yeah. Next, we go to the automation work cell.
Okay.
Let me introduce one of our demonstration of automation work cell. This work cell is mainly for car exhaust pipe, yeah, and combines one bending machine and cutting machine and forming machine and auto loader and 2 robots. So the operation will be controlled by the central control system. And so after bending, the robot will take the pipes and give it to cutting, then end forming, then go to the jig, checking for the accuracy. So this whole series can be worked no human resource, no manpower required.
All automatic.
All automatic, and it's in promotion for the Industry 4.0.
Okay. That's very impressive. Yeah. Thank you, Sonia, for introducing YLM and also all your impressive products. But at the moment, the outbreak of pandemic hit the world really hard. Yeah. And I was wondering if YLM also affected, or how do you react to this challenge?
Yeah, being one part of the conventional machines, of course, our business also being affected very seriously. But due to the many customers, they are already having automation cell. So for this part, there can be running machine as usual. So this is the lucky part. Okay. Yeah, and on the other hand, during this period, we spend more time in new development of machine and like database collection, so that we can be ready for the next boom of market.
How do you solve the problem? For example, you cannot travel abroad and you cannot talk to your customers or solve the problems of the machine. And how do you solve this problem?
Yeah, because all our machines can be controlled remotely, by the software, by different software programs. So for machine issues, we can always check remotely by internet. And our service team is covered all over the world, either our own branch's office or through our agent. So it will not be a problem. And we will continue 24-hour service as usual. This is the lucky part.
Okay. And you will continue to use video conferencing to talk to your customers?
Yeah, video, or line link. It's very easy, very convenient line right now. So this is going on every day. Yes, to solve our customers' problem.
Okay. Yeah. So even right now, the world is affected. Yeah. But luckily, Taiwan is relatively safe. Yeah. And
a good policy of our government.
We will have TIMTOS next year from March 15 to 20, 2021. And I was wondering if YLM will be part of the show, and what are you going to present at the show?
Well, sure, certainly, because the YLM has been the main exhibitors since TIMTOS, we believe. We treat TIMTOS as a very important platform for promotions of our brand as well as business. So definitely we'll be there. We got a lot of obtained a lot of customers' leads and many feedback from the market in 2019. So yeah, that was a good feedback. So definitely next year, despite the COVID-19, yeah, we would book more space, bigger space actually, to demonstrate. Even in this kind of situation, we should promote ourselves more. So this is a good chance.
We are all looking forward to that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sonia. We will continue to bring you more exhibitors and products. So please stay tuned and make sure you go to our website for more information about TIMTOS and also our online version of TIMTOS. Bye-bye.